Now come to the bronze. What is the bronze? So here we are having the topic name is copper alloy, right? Copper and copper alloy. So whatever the thing that would be the parent element would be copper, right? So the bronze means the copper is the parent element, and the alloying element is here is tin. Okay, tin means the SN. Okay, so bronze is the copper into tin. Sorry, tin into copper. So copper is a main or base material, and tin is the alloying element. So bronze is and the alloy primarily composed of the copper and tin, with tin typically making it from 12 to less than alloy. So it has a only 12% or less than 12%. Okay, so maximum how much we can reach, that is a 12% only. It is one of the oldest known alloys. So I mean in the past times or in ancient times, this alloying is being used in our society. Okay, historically used for the tools, weapons, and arts. So these were the areas where this particular alloy was being used frequently in our society since ancient times. Okay, so bronze is known for its strength, durability, and the corrosion resistance, making it another important material in many industries. So what are the advantages? Advantages are having the good strength, durability, and corrosion resistance.